Hello everyone, here in this video I'm going to show you that how you can display color variants as a separate products on your collection pages. So basically this is not only for color variants. If you have any other name of the variant, then still you can separate them on your collection pages as an individual product. This video is specific for Shella theme. If you have any other theme, then you can explore the playlist which I have already given the link below in the description. So you will find the relevant video according to your theme. If you don't find, then you can message me. I will create a video or maybe I will fix it for you. So on my screen you can see that I have multiple products on this collection, but only single color is displaying. So what exactly I want is that all the colors should be displayed. For example, I'm clicking on this winter jacket, and here you can see that we have multiple colors, but only single color is displaying on the collection page. So how we can display all the colors on this collection page? So I will walk you through all the steps. So you should go to the dashboard of the store, and here you can see that I have installed Shella theme. This version is 6.5.2. If you have any other version, then still this feature will work in your store. So the first thing is you should click on these three dots and duplicate this theme so that you should have a backup of this theme. Once you have created that backup, then you should click again and click on edit code. And here you can see that we have some folders and files. I have already written a documentation, so I will be adding the link below in the description. So you should download the code and everything. So you will be getting all these files. So firstly, you should open document.txt, and here you will be getting all those steps. So now the first step is that you need to create a new snippet color dash variant. So let me copy this and go back here, click on snippets, click on add a new snippet, and then paste that name here, and then click on done. So this way you are actually creating an empty file. Again, go back to the documentation. We have another step which is create new a new snippet actually, color dash product dash collection. So you should copy this, go back here, click on add a new snippet, paste that name here, and then click on done. So this way you are actually creating two empty files. Then we have the third step, which is go to sections, open collection dash product dash grid. So let me copy this, go back here, let me search it right here, and you can see that under snippets we have collection dash product dash grid dot liquid, and inside of it we are going to find this code. So for that you need to copy product dash collection, and then using Control F or maybe Command F you need to search it, and you can see that it is highlighted like this. So what exactly we are going to do here is we are going to remove this complete div element and replace it with this. So how we can do that? So inside of this loop you can see that we have this div element. So I'm going to remove this and going to paste this specific code, which is this one. So please select the complete line, copy it, and then paste it right here. All right, once you are done, then you can save the changes and then close this file. And here we have the empty files. So we need to copy the attached code, which is color-variant.txt. So let me copy this code first, and then you can paste it inside of color-variant.liquid and save the changes, and then you can close this file. Go back here, we have another file which is color-product-collection.txt. So copy this complete file and then go back here, and inside of color-product-collection.liquid you need to paste that code and then save the changes. You can close this file, and that's it. Now you can go back. Here you can see that we have all those products, and now I'm going to refresh this page. So let me refresh it, and here we go. Now you can see that we have all those colors displaying on this collection page. So earlier you have already seen that we had, for example, one jacket color, and now we can see that we have multiple jackets. So now this is looking more beautiful than before, because earlier we only had one color, but now we have multiple colors. So on all the collection pages you will see that all the colors are displaying. If you wanted to make it specific to one collection, then we can also do that by putting a condition. So if you're facing any issues or something, you can directly message me. I will definitely help you out in that. Few more features I have created in the previous videos. So let me show you. Actually, I have created some sliders. So 5 sliders I created. So let me show you how it looks. So first feature was like pricing table, and then I have created a section of video slider, autoplay, and then product slider. We have testimonials slider, and then we have images slider, we have collection slider. So all these sliders I have created, I will be adding the links below in the description for all those detailed videos, so you can actually follow these videos, and for free you can copy and paste the sections into your store according to your requirements. So definitely it will be more attractive, because these things are really making our stores more amazing. So let me know if you have to create a new store, or maybe you have a new section to create. I will be helping you in all these stuff. So you can contact me. I will be adding the contact details below in the description, so you can message me anytime. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. You can also join WhatsApp group. And if you want, you can also join YouTube perks, where I am giving free consultations related to Shopify, like how we can optimize, how we can boost the sales, how we can add additional features. So all this stuff I will be helping you in that. So thank you so much once again. See you in the next video.